Guys, for today's video, meron akong gustong i-share sa inyo bagong update na sa tingin ko magbe-benefit kayo. Previously, we have discussed this, yung Skyro Credit. But apparently kasi, with all the features na sinishare ko sa inyo, limited lang ang mga taong nakaka-experience nito. So in this video, aalamin natin kung kailangan pa ba ngayon mag-apply muna ng mga product loan or cash loan bago ka makapag-apply ng Skyro Credit. So samahan niyo ako, sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to the channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron na akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na ng videos and playlist na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, Skyro Credit is a service provided by Skyro. So, ito yung pantapat ni Skyro sa Buy Now Pay Laters nila Bilis, ni Atome, ni Salmon. However, when I discussed this couple of months ago and even last year, yung Skyro Credit is available lang sa mga nakapag-product loan na at saka sa mga nakapag-cash loan na. So parang for you to get a Skyro Credit, you must apply first for a cash loan or even a product loan. Thus, making it not open for all. Tipong ang pwede na mag-apply noon is yung gusto mangutang kay Skyro. What if katulad mo, ako, na ayoko naman talaga ng mga interest na babayaran. What if katulad lang ng Atome, gusto ko na pag ginamit ko, babayaran ko within the month and then wala nang interest. So ngayon, may update si Skyro. Ito basahin natin. Coming from Philstar.com, 100,000 plus users and growing. Skyro Credit expands access to everyday spending across the Philippines. Manila, Philippines, everyday spending is driving the adoption of digital credit in the Philippines. More than 100,000 Filipinos already use Skyro Credit for purchases ranging from fast food and groceries to medicine and gas. Top merchants include Jollibee, McDonald's, Dali, Supermarket, SM, Mercury Drug, Watsons, Shell, and Caltex. Ito yung sabi nila, our goal with Skyro Credit is to give more Filipino easier access to flexible credit, especially at times when everyday expenses continue to rise and financial priorities continue to evolve. Sabi yan nung co-CEO ng Skyro. So ito daw, Filipinos age 18 and above can apply online to the Skyro Credit webpage, through the Skyro app, and participate in partner stores including Home Alone, Metro Rail, Prince Retail, blah, 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 blah. Applicants only need one valid government ID and a smartphone and an active Philippine mobile number. Okay, so pag-usapan natin to. Unlike before nga na kailangan mo muna ng product loan at saka cash loan, now you can directly apply na sa webpage and sa app. Okay to kasi mas inopen na ni Skyro Credit sa maraming tao. It's just that medyo nakakalito yung application nila. When my wife tried to apply for a Skyro Credit through the app, nung dinownload niya, na-prompt siya for a product loan kaagad. And then, there's no way to cancel or what para makapag-apply ng Skyro Credit. So, what we did is, we contacted Skyro Customer Service and asked how can we apply for a Skyro Credit. And then, sinabi niya dito daw sa website. Nung sinisilip ko tong website na to, medyo magulo, pero may nakita naman kaming apply now. And this is where she applied for a Skyro Credit. So, nag-apply siya dyan, naglagay siya ng information dyan, and medyo auto-populated na yung iba kasi sinubukan niya initially mag-apply for a Skyro product loan, pero hindi nga niya tinuloy dahil yun yung available sa app. So, dahil pre-populated ng iba, konti na lang yung information na nilagay dyan. After which, napunta siya dito sa last page na submit niya na, wherein sabi, continue to the application. Nung kinontinue sa application, medyo loading lang. Ginawa namin is close namin, tapos nilo-open namin ulit. And then may nakita kami na ito, tipong 11,300 na Skyro Credit, tapos parang continue application. So, kinontinue namin yung application dyan, it is where nag-submit na siya ng ID. From which, after submitting so, ilang minutes lang, wala pang 5 minutes, nag-ring na ang mga phone namin. So, nag-ring ako as a character reference, and then nag-ring yung phone niya as in sabay na nag-validate ng information dun sa application niya. After which, napunta na dito sa screen na to na wait for our call. Doon nakatawag na naman sila. So, sabi sa kanya is just wait for 24 hours kung ano yung result ng kanyang application. Until now, wala pa rin yung details kung approved or not. But, the thing here is that pwede ka na mag-apply nga nang hindi mo na kailangan mag-product loan or cash loan. You may not see the application through the app. It is better na katulad ng ginawa namin na mag-apply kayo through the website. Sundan nyo lang yung ginawa namin kanina and then matatransfer kayo sa Skyro app to continue. So, bakit nga ba maganda itong Skyro app? Nung nilaunch itong Skyro app, nung nagkaroon ako ng access dito, nagkaroon sila ng cashback. Sila yung unang Buy Now Pay Later na nag-offer ng cashback. Actually, isa to sa kanilang feature eh. Eventually, kinapin na lang siya ni Salmon na nagkaroon na rin ng cashback. So, every time na gumagamit ka ng inyong Skyro credit, ay nag-earn ka ng points, and until ma-reach mo yung 100 pesos na usable credit ng cashback, dun mo lang siya magagamit. Apart from 0% interest ang gamit mo dito kay Skyro Credit within 45 days. So, kamukha ng iba talagang mga buy now pay laters natin, 0%. Siguro ang pinagkaiba lang niya, the cashback itself. Pero ngayon medyo nakukulangan ako sa cashback eh. Kasi, kailangan pa ma-meet yung 100 pesos na minimum encashment bago mo magamit ang cashback. Ang kinagandahan naman ng cashback kay Salmon is that walang minimum for you to meet the encashable amount ng cashback. Ibig sabihin lang nito, kunyari 5 pesos lang, pwede mo nang magamit yung cashback. However guys, magiging available lang yung cashback kay Salmon once na matapos ang isang cutoff nyo. Pag nagsimula na ang bagong cutoff, doon mababawas yung cashback na na-earn nyo. Di ba? At least merong couple of peso na bawas sa bill nyo. Di ba 0% interest na nga yan? Though ganun din naman kay Skyro Credit na yung 100 na yan pwedeng mabawas din sa bill mo. So, di ba, gumagamit ka lang, walang interest, nag-earn ka ng cashback na pwede mong ibawas sa inyong mga bill. I'm not saying na yung Skyro maganda to versus everyone. What I'm saying is, okay itong Skyro additional to your existing buy now pay laters. You can utilize their benefit, yung cashback, alongside with other buy now pay later services natin. As long as na-charge lang naman tayo ng 0% interest, walang additional charge, bakit hindi natin gamitin, di ba? Una, napapaganda natin yung credit history natin with them. Pangalawa, yung credit score natin. And pangatlo, yung benefit na 0% interest in 45 days. And pang-apat, may cashback pa, di ba? Bawas sa ginamit natin. Parang free money yun, yung cashback na yun kahit papano. So, I think it is best na i-utilize lang natin itong mga features na to as long as na-available sila sa atin. Alam niyo yun, yung tipo dumadami sila, ang nagbe-benefit tayong mga customer. Yun nga lang po, you have to take note of this na yung interest po ni Skyro would range like around 6 to 9% po. Kung tatanungin niyo po ako kung meron ba tong convert to cash, may encash niyo po ba tong Skyro credit niyo, hindi po. Purely for QR payments. Right now, wala pa po silang debit card or some sort of, so hindi po natin to magagamit sa mga ibang merchants na gumagamit ng POS terminal. Okay, so the next question here is that yung Skyro credit ba pwede nating gawing installment na katulad ni Atomic Credit na pwede nating i-pay over 6 months or katulad ni Loveit na pwede rin i-convert into installment? Actually, walang ganon. Nag-work si Atomic Credit like Salmon wherein there's a minimum amount that you can pay and matcha-charge ka nga lang ng interest. And the next month na mabibil ka, meron ulit siya minimum amount. Nasa iyo yun na kung dadagdagan mo, syempre pag mas mataas ang binayaran mo, mas mababa ang interest sa susunod na bill mo. But just a reminder again, paying the minimum, hindi siya advisable kasi mataas po ang interest. For our question of the day, okay ba sa iyo na mag-apply ng maraming buy now pay later service o mag-concentrate ka lang sa select few? At bakit? Well, let me know sa comment section sa baba for our monthly giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Mary D. Ebriega at Mary D. Ebriega 6996. Sabi po niya, thank you Sir Pat. Dami kong nakuhang mga bonus dahil sa mga content niyo po. Kaya madalas kong abangan ang upload niyo. Hehehe. Iba talaga mga pakulo ni Mariba. Kay Mary D. Ebriega, shoutout po sa inyo. And thank you so much po na nakakatulong po yung content na ginagawa ko sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala namang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!